This program will show you how to get the perfect bond by using Fusion solder connectors, which are pre-measured and loaded with correctly engineered flux and solder in a solderable tin-plated copper connector. Fusion connectors come ready to use. They provide more consistent quality and are faster, less confusing, and less costly than multi-component solder programs. It truly is a system where you just add heat. There are 4 easy steps to guarantee a perfect bond with Fusion connectors. First, clamp the connector, then strip the cable, exposing about 7/8 of an inch of the wire depending on the connector you are using. Second, insert the cable into the connector. Using any propane torch, heat the connector, which melts the pre-measured flux and solder inside the connector and bonds it to the cable. Before we move on to the final 2 steps, here are a couple of tips that will help you. Make sure to apply slight downward pressure as you spin the cable back and forth. This will ensure an equal distribution of the solder. Do not push too hard, as you could lose solder should it flow out of the barrel due to too much pressure. Also, be sure to push the cable all the way to the bottom of the connector. This will guarantee you will get a complete bond. Should you make any mistake in making your connection, you can reheat the connector and start over. The third step in getting a perfect bond using the Fusion solder connector is to let the cable and connector cool. This will solidify the flux and solder. Lastly, add heat shrink. Fusion strength is twice that of typical crimp or compression connectors. Fusion connectors are plated with a solderable tin, essential for maximum solder strength and reliability.